Okay, so now let's learn about paleospinothalamic pathway, which is a slow pain pathway. So what is slow pain? Slow pain is a burning sensation which is felt as long as there is tissue damage. Okay, and it is a primitive type of pain transmission system, and pain is carried by C fibers which are having diameter of 1.5 to 2 microns. Okay, so let's see the pathway. First of all, I want to tell that this pathway is purely schematic diagram, and I don't recommend it to draw in answer sheet. You better prefer any diagram from some book. This is just a schematic diagram, and but it will help you to write answer in the answer sheet if you listen properly. So what happens is when there is tissue damage, pain receptors called as nociceptors get stimulated, and they further stimulate dorsal root ganglion, and our dorsal root ganglia gives origin to first order neuron, and this first order neuron enters into the spinal cord and ascends upwards or downwards for 2 or 3 segments, forming tract of Lizor, and this first order neurons further stimulates into the lamina 2 and lamina 3 of dorsal horn, which is called as substantia gelatinosa. And from here arises second order neuron, which further projects to the neurons of lamina 5 of again dorsal horn, which gives origin to third degree neurons or third order neurons. And this third order neurons, most of these third order neurons, they immediately goes for crossing to the opposite side through anterior commissure and ascends upwards as lateral spinothalamic tract. But few of these third order neurons, they ascend upwards to the ipsilateral side. Then these third order neurons, their fibers, they project into some of the subcortical structures in brainstem, which are reticular nuclei of midbrain, pons, medulla, tectal area of mesencephalon, intralaminar nuclei of thalamus, and periaqueductal gray matter. So therefore, this pathway, it helps in the activation of reticular activating system, because the fibers of third order axon, they are projecting to the reticular nuclei of midbrain, pons, and medulla, and this pain perception occurs in subcortical structure, as we have already mentioned. So this was all about slow pain pathway, and this both of this fast pain and slow pain, they are inhibited by analgesic drugs or acupuncture. And in acupuncture, it's a important aspect in slow pain pathway. In acupuncture, what happens is that there is a blockage of pain at substantia gelatinosa. Okay, blocking of pain at the substantia gelatinosa gate pathway level occurs. So that was all about paleospinothalamic pathway. Thank you.